just arrived at L'Oréal Monceau and we just checked in, and it's so nice. All this beautiful massive room, and we even have some presents, which is so nice. And in here, welcome to Paris, Diana. The view again is amazing, unbelievable. And let me show you the rest of the room. Look at this bathroom. It's all mirrored. This is like, I don't know, bathroom goals. Can I have this at home, please? Really, really beautiful. Wow. Okay, so we just checked in. Well, not just checked in, but okay. Hi, Andre. Hi. In L'Oréal Monceau here in Paris. It's very luxurious. It's amazing. You saw already a little room tour. Absolutely unbelievable, this place, and we're happy to be here. We're happy to explore. We're happy to again visit Paris because this is my third time visiting Paris and Andre's second time. We've been here a year ago. We celebrated Andre's birthday here in April again on the 2nd. So yeah, we're now back after a year, and we're happy to see, you know, what Paris has to offer. We visited some more like touristy stuff in the past, but now hopefully we'll do some really nice pictures, just walk around and enjoy the French cuisine a little bit. So yeah. Guys, so L'Oréal Monceau has actually 2 gyms, so this room and then the other room in which I did my workout earlier, but now I will just do the rest of my workout in here because it has a lot of fitness machines. You can see in here it's always super empty. And yeah, I think that it's amazing that they actually have 2 workout rooms. Okay, so today was a very busy day and very just crazy, and I feel like tomorrow will be the same. So yeah, I'm ready for it. And I know I look crazy, but I just took a shower, went to the gym for a little bit, and I'm ready to sleep and to wake up at 7 or at 6:30 in the morning tomorrow. So yay. But this hotel is absolutely amazing, and tomorrow we will be doing, you know, lots of different things. I will show you the breakfast, then we'll have some lunch again, brunch, then we will go to the Yves Saint Laurent museum, which I'm just, you know, just very excited about that because Yves Saint Laurent is one of my favorite designers. Prepared a little something. You excited? Yes. Operation going downstairs. Because they're not.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sasha. Happy birthday to you. Желание загадай.
Желание надо.
Блин, круто, как спасибо.
Okay guys, so now we are going to the Yves Saint Laurent museum, and then the hotel has some kind of surprise for us, but you will see this in the vlog, and hopefully you will enjoy the beautiful Paris and the beautiful museum.
So we are going to the Museum Yves Saint Laurent. The Museum Yves Saint Laurent was just reopened in 2017. It was created by Pierre Berger to the world all the history of the house Yves Saint Laurent. And since almost the beginning of the house, Yves Saint Laurent started to keep one prototype of each dress, of each design he made. And as well the sketches, jewelry.
So we will see the designs.
Yes. Yes,
Nice.
sketches, drawings,
Yeah.
jewelry,
Yeah, I love jewelry.
head dresses, everything.
Привет, Маш. Привет, Диана.
Мы будем кататься туда-сюда. Это
Куда?
план.
Куда будем кататься?
Мы планируем фотографию. У нас есть план, и мы будем его придерживаться.
Вот, супер, Диан. Можешь налево, направо смотреть. Знаешь, кого-то кто-то увидел, позвал тебя налево.